Hey, good morning. Sounds like you got some stuff to work on today. So let's take a look at your chart here real quick. Yeah, been a little bit since you've been in here. Why don't you move up a little bit and get you into position here. That should be good. And why don't you just go ahead and pop your hood and yeah, let's take a look and rest that tire real quick. There we go. Good. Just relax. Just relax. Oh, that was good movement. Nice. Oh, that's good. That's really good. All right. Now there can be a lot of movement with this, so just relax. Just relax. Excellent. It's okay. It's all right. That's good. That's good. Just let it out. Let it out. That's all right. All right. We need to see you in 2 weeks. All right. Good job.